Alright guys, MTech Guy here, and today we're going to take a look at how to reset your oil service indicator on your BMW E87 1 Series. So to start off with, we need to turn the ignition to position 1, don't start the car. Next up, we're going to press and hold the trip reset button, and when we see the service icon come up between the gauges there's the one for the brake fluid. We're going to use the toggle switch on the indicator stalk to scroll through till we see the oil can for the oil service. Once you see that, press and hold the BC button on the end of the stalk. You'll see there's a small clock going there, then let go of the button. And there we go, done, easy as that. As always, if you found the video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like, and make sure you go and check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more BMW DIY videos. I'm MTech Guy, thanks a lot for watching.